What's up? I'm making a video
Okay. Again?
every day. Alright, let's go ahead and solve this. This is 2.9. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides here. I'm going to get 6x greater than or equal to 12. Divide each side by 6. X greater than or equal to 2. So we have to figure out that's going to be solid dot at 2. So it looks like letter C. And this one we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So 3m is less than or equal to 3. Divide each side by 3. So solid dot at 1 going left. So that looks like A. And just by process elimination, you should be able to say that's B. But if you showed the work for it, you're going to make this. Divide each side by -4. And flip the sign. There it goes. Solve these, add 8 to both sides here. So that's going to give you 10. Interval notation, that's pointing to the left, so negative infinity to 10, square bracket. The graph is at 0, you got 10 here. So a solid dot going this way. This one, subtract 11 from both sides. That's -4 divided each side by 4. So that's going to be solid dot at -1, shading this way. Square bracket from -1 to infinity. Okay, this should help you along with some of those. So let's move down. So it looks like they have an incorrect one. The correct version is -5 minus 5. -2x is greater than 12. Divide each side by -2. So x is less than -6. So that should go negative infinity to -6 round bracket. So it looks like they made their error right here. So we flipped it. Let's make the correction on this one. Let's add 22 to both sides. Divide each side by 4. Flip the whole thing over. So that's pointing to negative infinity to 6 round bracket. Where they made the mistake is they should have flipped that over. And that should help with those. Okay, we're going to have a test this week, so we'll have a quiz on this later. Ask your teacher about some of those other questions to get filled out for you, but that should give you a heads up on that.